How to upload a PDF to Cloud AI for analysis. In order to upload PDF to Cloud AI for analysis, you could use the direct attach tool in the chat interface. So first of all, open up your browser, type in Cloud AI or claude.ai/new. Then log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. After you're logged into your account, what next you want to do is from the very home page, you could see a chat bar, right? So this is where you could go ahead and type in your prompt and it's just going to give you an answer. So in order to upload PDF, just press the plus button right inside the chat box. Select it so and you will be able to see a pop-up window. Select add files or photo. There you go. You could go ahead and select your PDF file. And this way you could upload your PDF file. You could then go ahead and type in a prompt and hit this arrow icon. And that is basically how you can upload your PDF file in your Cloud AI. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.